Hello everyone, welcome to Guru Schools.
I would like to give a short introduction about Guru Schools. Guru Schools is one of the leading IT consulting firm. It's a one place where you can enroll for many technologies. I will describe how you can have everything at one place if you get enrolled into the Guru Schools. At first, we will discuss about the benefits offered by the Guru Schools. For example, if you enroll in Guru Schools, we will be providing a free IT training. This free IT training is a live interactive session. So I will be teaching the classes and you will be listening it. And if you have any doubts, you can ask immediately. And we can also provide a mock test and we can also provide the interview preparation as well. And we can also provide a certification post training. And we will be providing the interview support as well. At the same time, we will be providing the project support as well. When it comes to six pillars of Guru Schools. So it offers instructor lead training. So it's like a live session. We will be interacting and post training. We will be providing the certificate. And the important thing is resume preparation. So resume preparation plays a key role to showcase your skills to the interviewer. So we will be providing the resume preparation and we can also provide vendor interview preparation help at the same time client interview preparation help. So based on my experience, I will be teaching you how to crack the interview. Once you crack the interview, so we will also provide a project support. I am your trainer, Srinivas Kondapalli. I have 6+ years of experience in multiple domains such as web development, automation testing, and cybersecurity. I taught to many of the students who are interested in my listed domains. When it comes to the programming languages, it has two categories, front end and as well as back end. So I teach front end technologies like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. I teach back end technologies like Python and Java. So I teach Selenium testing and REST API testing frameworks. And I also teach cybersecurity about what is networking, how attacker uses Kali Linux, how we need to defend attackers to protect the organization, all kind of things. And this is a short intro about me. Welcome to Selenium Automation Testing Training Program, powered by Guru Schools. In this course, I will be teaching about Selenium QA automation with Python programming. And it's a 8-week program. So this 8 weeks is enough to learn Selenium automation with Python. So I will describe what all the topics are covered on every week. So if you take about week one, here in week one, we will be discussing about introduction to Python and its usages. So what is Python? Why Python is having a more competency when compared with other programming languages and how it is used in most of the MNC companies. And also we will be diving into the concepts of variables, keywords, data types, strings, and string methods. So when it comes to week two, in week two, we will be covering the conditions and the loops and the types of it. And we will be practicing those into a real-time concepts like pattern programs. And I will be teaching you a GitLab and how to use a GitLab and how it will be used in a real time or a software industry. And we will be discussing about the functions also on week two. When it comes to week three, I'm going to explain you in detail about collections. So what are collections and what are the types of it? Like what is the list, what is a tuple, what is set, and what is dictionary. And not only that, how to use those collections in a real time. And I will be teaching you a basic example of using the REST API too. So using the REST API, we can easily understand how collections are more important. And on week four, we will be covering how to handle the errors in your program. That is called like exception handling. And what are the packages available and what are the libraries available and what is the difference between packages and libraries and how to handle multiple files like CSV file, Excel file, JSON file, YAML file, how to handle all these kind of file types, and an introduction to GitHub and its usage, and providing a difference between GitHub and GitLab. When it comes to week 5, I will be introducing you web languages like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, and building a basic web page using this program, and introduction to the software testing and the manual testing concepts will be covered on week 5. When it comes to week 6, so here is the key point. From here onwards is a very crucial. So we will be discussing about Selenium on week 6, like introduction to Selenium and what and all the versions of Selenium available, and what is meant by selector and how many types of it, and how to automate various web page elements, and how to handle multiple windows, and how to handle alerts and frames, how to handle keyboard and mouse events. All those are covered on week 6. When it comes to week 7, so we will be discussing about database connections like a MongoDB and MySQL, and also a kind of database testings as well. So to perform the CRUD operations. So building a test cases for automation testing, and also usage of testing frameworks. So we are discussing Python, right? So PyTest framework mostly used to write the test cases. So those things will be covered on week 7. When it comes to week 8, we will be covering the loggers. So how to log your program, how to write a logger for your program. And we will be giving a live projects using Selenium. So whatever you have learned, it can be covered when you put into the practice. So we will be providing a live projects to understand the real-time scenarios of Selenium with Python. And we will be providing a scenario-based question and answers. And also we will be preparing you for the interview, like vendor interview or a client interview. So this is a fully packed 8-week program with Selenium QA automation by using Python programming language. I can tell you very comfortably, post this course, you will be in a position where you have a greater skill set compared to all other people who are sitting on the market. So I can definitely tell you, you can reach at a position where you will have the six-figure salary. Again, you can see the contact of email. So you can communicate over the email at the training@guruschools.com. You can also visit their website like www.guruschools.com, and you can also call them on the number 908 367 7037. With this, I'm leaving here with your thoughts. I hope I'm very excited to see you in my next course of Selenium QA automation testing with Python programming. Thank you.